Whenever we think of weekend getaways from Kolkata, the first name that comes to our mind is Mandarmani. It's a beautiful beach destination that lies in East Midnapur district of West Bengal and is situated at a distance of 180 kilometers from Kolkata. Earlier, its name was Mandarmani and it was merely a fisherman's village. But with time, the beauty of its long virgin beach started attracting the beach lovers and it soon developed as a seaside resort village. Today, it's one of the most traveled destinations in West Bengal. Initially, when there was no metal road, one had to drive to the hotel through the beach itself, and beach driving was the key attraction. But after a few accidents, visitors are not allowed to drive on the beach anymore. Mandarmani Beach is one of the longest beaches in India and it attracts thousands of visitors every year. Looking at the inflow of the weekenders, many resorts and hotels have also come up here in the recent past. But those who want to make their stay a memorable one should book hotels that stand right on the beach and have sea-facing rooms. I think half of the holiday is made if we get a view like this from the hotel room. Since mornings are the most beautiful part of the day, whenever we are at Mandarmani, we always try to spend the early morning hours at the beach before it becomes busy with touristy activities. When the sun rays fill the sky, the sea looks fantastic and it's truly the most beautiful moment. This time we didn't get clear sky but we enjoyed strolling barefoot on the sandy beach. Generally, two types of visitors come here. One for partying and the other one for relaxing like us. Mandarmani also offers water sports for the adventure lovers. There is speedboat ride, banana boat and jet skiing. But please do ensure the safety measures before trying them. We tried the speedboat. It was little scary but very thrilling. The sea is relatively calm here, which makes it ideal for swimming. You can soak yourself in the sea water for hours and when done can sit down at one of the tiny beach shacks and treat yourself with tender coconut water. Mandarmani also offers a variety of fresh seafood for the seafood lovers. My personal favorite is masala crab fry. Evenings are always very pleasant along the beach. You can either go for a beach walk or can simply sit and watch the beachside activities over a cup of tea. After the sun sets, the party lovers can have fun under the starry night and the others can simply sit on the balcony and listen to the calming sound of the sea waves. Truly, natural sounds have wonderful healing power. See you all in another interesting travel video. Till then, happy traveling and let's create lifetime memories.